Kesorkar jela kala thau lai tili ki komiti ki banit jurub iki jaka ki bahap hakaja gaja khaput bat ban lum iki jing menjur ber ki jing sngo bat karai jong ki pait ba ki basa hakitu ki than. Kini ki komiti ki kintu bi ki nongalam ke seng sain perthai ki dekhot ke district council ki khle nong sen char shnong bar ki kin hon jok imlang salang. Kini ki komiti hadin ke jing jurub benya ki haban IT ki kaipot hapo ka shibanai. Habai Grand Club thai khubor ba ranik ten tongkhar ubakhle ek committee ka banpet ek West Khasi Hills district ulai thu bakin se kendo lang ha kasngining kong kata ka artarik ubanai nailar hanoston ulong ba ka bokong san ha ka jingle jurep ka long ban shim ban lumi ka rai jong kinong shong shnong ha ki tu ki than laki kwa bansa ha ka jala Assam ne ha ka jala Meghalaya.
We will definitely go to all those villages, and I also thought that the main factor to decide it is to take the decision of the people residing in those villages, whether they want to be in Assam or they want to be in Meghalaya. That is one of the important factors to take the decision. And I wish that our people, our local people residing there, I wish they will agree to be part of Meghalaya.